is howling? Who is that? So the smoke alarm made Rollo howl. This is funny, guys. I'll show it to you. Kate recorded it. Yeah. She burns chicken all the time at the lake.
No, it's searing chicken.
Searing?
I have to sear it because it's got the skin on it, so I gotta sear it, but there's not really that great of ventilation at the lake house.
Yeah, okay.
Hi, excuse the hair. But, Rollo only ever howls whenever I make chicken thighs with bones in them, and you sear the skin side down first, and then it always makes it smoky in here, and there's not great ventilation at the lake house to do this. And I have all the fans on, I have the windows open and everything, but it still doesn't help, and the smoke alarm is very sensitive. But anytime I cook it, Rollo just goes crazy. He howls, and that's the only time he ever howls, and it's quite funny. So you guys should watch this, because yeah. And I'll let you know how my chicken turns out. It's a little seared on the top, on the skin part, but you don't have to eat that part if you don't want to. But yeah, we're gonna have some rice and some veggies as well, and it'll be a good dinner because it's healthy. So there's that. Okay. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Oh no! Smoke alarm is over. All done, Rollo. It's okay. Go investigate. Go investigate. What's going on? Are you letting me know that there's a smoke in the whatever hallway? No. But I'm making food. Whoa! I'm making chicken. It's not burning, but it's okay. It's okay, Rollo. I'm just making chicken. I had to do a special thing with it first, okay? Okay. All right.
Who's howling? Who is that? You gonna howl at yourself?
What's going on?
What's it?
Got an itchy butt.
Rollo!
Smoke alarm is over. All done, Rollo. It's okay. Go investigate.
Rollo, were you afraid because your mama was cooking? Uh-oh. Oh. Uh-oh, Mason. You hear that alarm? You hear that alarm, Mason? Here comes Coho, too. What's going on, kitties? You hear an alarm? That's funny they came running. Well, the alarm just went off. It's the dog kennel alert. That's the middle temperature. It says 13.9. It just dropped below where the warning goes off. But that's okay because the dog's not out there. It is next to the house, it's 12 below, but outside it's minus 21. Because of... Oh, really? So the top temperature is the temperature just outside the dog kennel. And this is the temperature inside the dog kennel. And it's dropped below. This is a record low for the inside kennel. Granted, the heater is shut off because the dog's not out there. But even so, it's inside the garage, which this is the lowest the temperature's ever gotten. So I set this alarm to warn us if the temperature in the doghouse ever gets too low. And yeah, it is. It's 21 below outside. The wind chill is minus 45. And that's Fahrenheit, my friends. Granted, minus 45 is the same, whether it's Celsius or Fahrenheit. They kind of match when they get to that low. Get a squirrel. What happens when I leave the toy in the chair? You want to play? Is that a hint? When you come and set your sloppy toy in my lap? Does that mean you want to play?